Welcome back guys. Today in this short Photoshop tips I will show you guys how to enlarge a smaller image into a larger image. Scaling up a smaller image with less pixel to a larger image used to be science fiction, but thanks to the AI technology we can do it right now at the moment. So what we are going to do is using the newest latest Photoshop's engine, Preserve Details version 2.0. The engine work with Adobe Sensei AI technology, and it's still not final version, but still you can activate and use it for your designs. Alright, so let's get started. So I'm going to download this photo in Pixelbay. I'm going to download a lower version. Let's open this picture in Photoshop, and I'm going to duplicate these into 3 copies and place them side by side so that we can compare later with all available profiles. For the first image, I'm going to rename this one as old. We are going to use the traditional method of resizing. Go to image size. You can see the preserve details in here, but for this one I'm going to select the bicubic smoother. Basically this will add new pixels based on the surrounding areas, which is a very old traditional way of enlarging pictures. Let's enlarge the size. Make sure your width and height ratio is selected. I'm going to enlarge 4 times and OK. Alright, so our image has been enlarged. Okay, so let's go to the second picture, and I'm going to rename this one, double click as I'm going to rename this one as preserve details version 1, which is the ready available one in here. Okay, let's select the preserve details in here. Once you select, you will see there is a noise reduction slider appearing. We are not going to reduce noise for this example. Again, I'm going to make this one 4 times and larger with this preserve details version 1. It may take some time. Now you can see the picture has been enlarged, and you can already see the quality difference. And I will bring this image into our first image for comparison. Let's place it in here. Okay, now let's go to the third image, and if you go to image rescale, you will see the version 2 is not available yet in here. It's because this is still not finalized technology. You need to on this technology from the preferences and go to preferences and technology preferences and select the enlarge preserve details version 2.0 from here. Now go back to image and image size. Let's enlarge the image 4 times bigger, *4. And now if you go and see in the engines, you will see preserve details version 2.0. Select the preserve details 2.0 and OK, which will enlarge the image. This is also relatively faster than the older versions of preserve image quality 1. And now double click and rename the layer as preserve image 2.0. Then let's bring this one also to the first image for comparison. I'm going to hide the preserve image versions 1 and 2, and let's see the default version. And you can see the default version in here, especially the eye area. A lot of areas are blurred and there's a lot of noise in a lot of places in here. And if you're on the version 1, you can clearly see the difference, especially the eye. You can see the picture quality is way better than the earlier version. Now when you're on the version 3, it's even more better. It's using the AI technology, and also when you compare it with the version 1, especially in these eye areas, the sharpness of the image is preserved precisely. And you will see a lot of improvements in future versions also with this version 2, because it's still under developing technology, and with the machine learning and stuff, it will get far more better than what we have right now. Alright guys, that's all about for today. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial. And also try this one out guys. I have get different results for different type of pictures. So based on the picture, the quality may be different, and especially if you use a bit more larger images for enhance, the quality is really good with the version 2. Okay, thank you for watching. See you guys in the next tutorial.